Ever feel like you're stuck using a software that looks like it belongs in a museum? You know those programs that take forever to load and seem more suited for a punch card than modern computer. Yeah, legacy applications. They may keep business running, but let's be real. They're slow, risky, and a maintenance maze. But before you throw your hands up in despair, there's hope. Hi, I'm Arvind Sareen, Chairman and CEO of Copper Digital. We've been helping businesses transform digitally for over 14 years. And trust me, legacy applications are a common enemy. But don't worry, because in the battle against outdated technology, we're armed with cutting-edge solutions and a proven track record of success. So why modernize? Legacy applications hold us back from innovation and agility. They can't handle the demands of today's digital world. Plus, security vulnerabilities are a constant worry. Let's face it, nobody wants to be the next headline for a massive data breach caused by a dusty old program. But where do you even begin? That's where Copper Digital steps in. We understand the challenges businesses face in modernizing their IT infrastructure, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. From assessment and strategy to implementation and support, we'll tailor a solution to fit your unique needs and propel your business into digital age with confidence. All right, so we talked about the struggle with those creaky old programs, but let's get real. How do we actually tackle them? The first thing is figuring out what exactly are you working with. Legacy applications come in all shapes and sizes, right? Before you go all over, hold on. You gotta understand your enemy. Here's the deal. Ask yourself a few questions. How important is this program to your daily grind? Is it the one that keeps everything running smoothly, or is it more of a back office thing? The most critical apps, the real headache makers, those are the ones you want to tackle first. Trust me, prioritize the pain point. Next, think about how much time and effort it needs. Do you need the application constantly in your business? Can you integrate it with the latest tech? These questions will help you pick the right weapon for the fight. So, once you've assessed your legacy application, my team is ready to help you explore the different ways to modernize it for the future. Initially, we try rehosting or replatforming, but wait, there's a whole arsenal of options at your disposal. First up, there's refactoring. Think of it like giving your application a much-needed makeover. We're not talking about plastic surgery, but we're going to spruce up the internal code to make it run faster and easier to maintain. There are even tools to help with this, like JRefactor and Eclipse JDT. Next, we have re-architecting. This is more hardcore approach. Basically, like taking a sledgehammer to the old house and building a brand new one. We'd completely rebuild the application using all the latest tech and frameworks, making it a shiny, modern masterpiece. Encapsulation. Feeling less destructive? How about encapsulation? Imagine taking your old files and keeping them in new filing cabinet. Encapsulation is like that, but for applications. We wrap up that legacy system in a modern API, making it super easy to connect with all of your new systems. Think of API Gateway by AWS or Azure API Management by Microsoft as the fancy new filing cabinet installers. Implementation and execution. We've assessed our legacy system, defined our goals, and crafted a solid modernization plan. Now comes the exciting part, turning that plan into action. To bring this modernization to life, we'll be assembling a dream team. This isn't a one-man show. We need a powerful combination of technical expertise to understand the inner workings of the application and project management skills to keep things organized and on track. Remember the modernization approach we chose earlier? Our team will follow it meticulously, but with a twist. We'll leverage established development practices like agile methodologies. This means we'll break down the project into smaller, manageable tasks, allowing us to adapt to changes or challenges that might arise. But before we unleash this modernized masterpiece to the world, we need to make sure it functions flawlessly. Enter the rigorous testing phase. Our team will put the application through its paces, simulating real-world scenarios and identifying any potential issues. Once everything is green, it's deployment time. This is the moment we've all been working for. The modernized application takes center stage, ready to deliver the improved performance, security, and user experience we envision. Are you ready to modernize your legacy applications? Click the link below to learn how Copper Digital can help you modernize your software and unlock a world of possibilities. Don't let outdated tech hold you back any longer. It's time to make the leap forward. Let's do this. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.